Next is non-uniform acceleration. That's number 6. Non-uniform acceleration. In this case, the velocity of the moving body increases with time, but not in a uniform or constant manner. It could be illustrated in the table as shown below. Suppose for a moving body you have the velocity in meter per second, you have the time in seconds, and this is recorded at different times. Maybe when the time is 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds, maybe 6 seconds. Then the velocity increases in this manner from 20 to 32 to 59 to 82 to 100. There is a remarkable increase in velocity with time. Yes, the body is accelerating, but the increase in velocity is not uniform or constant. So this kind of motion is called non-uniform acceleration. In non-uniform acceleration, the velocity of the moving body